In the event of an emergency spill, the first thing to do is to cordon off the area to make sure people don't wander into the contamination. Then identify the spilt liquid. Once you know what liquid you are dealing with, make sure you get the correct personal protective equipment on and don't put yourself at risk. Once you have protected yourself from the liquid, if you can, stop the flow. This could be by closing valves or by turning a damaged drum so that the damaged area is above the level of liquid remaining in it. Larger spill kits come with leak block granules that can be mixed into a paste. By forcing the paste into the damaged area of tank, drum or pipe, a temporary repair can be effected. A spill turns into a pollution incident only if the liquid leaves the site. The most likely way for a spill to leave the site is down the drain. Here we show a polyurethane drain cover placed over the ironwork. An emergency spill kit is made up predominantly of absorbent socks and pads. Use the socks around the edge of the spill to both stop the spill spreading and soak it up. The pads should be used to absorb liquid over a large surface area. The yellow chemical sorbent used here has no neutralizing effect. If used for cleaning up acid, it will become acidic. If used on caustic soda, it will be alkaline, and if used on oil, it will become oily. Treat the used absorbent with the respect that you would the original liquid and keep the PPE on whilst cleaning up. Place the used sorbent in the temporary disposable bags that are supplied with the spill kit and then report the spill to the management. This is vital for 3 reasons. Firstly, the used sorbent must be disposed of in the correct manner. It may well be special waste and should be dealt with correctly. Secondly, a spill kit is much like a fire extinguisher insofar as it should be full and ready if and when it is needed, so the kit should be topped up and ready in case there is a next time. And finally, it could be that a procedural change may stop a future spill. For example, a truck may have knocked a valve causing a spill, so by rerouting the trucks or by moving the valve, the risk can be eliminated. These are alternatives for protecting a drain from a spill. Here we show a reusable drain protection kit. The neoprene mat is placed over the drain. To seal the edge of the mat, the kit comes complete with a tub of leak block granules. Pour these along the edges of the mat. The leak block will help force the liquid on top of the mat. Once the weight of the liquid is on top, nothing will get underneath. Depending on the type and amount of contamination, the mat can be cleaned and reused. The clay drain cover has a shelf life of approximately 5 years and can be used only once. Simply rip the drain cover from the outer bag, Place over the drain and press or stamp in. The drain cover has a cloth reinforcement running through it so that it can be peeled off in one piece after use. Oil-only sorbents, as the name suggests, are for use with oils. They are colour-coded white. They will repel any water-based liquid like acid, bleach, or in this case, tea. Chemical sorbents are colour-coded yellow and will pick up many strong chemicals as well as oils and tea. Because it repels water, oil-only sorbent will pick up spilt oil and leave any water behind. Here we have poured a little two-stroke oil on the water to demonstrate. Help and advice on choosing the most appropriate sorbent is available from JSP through your distributor.